What's going on, guys? It is early in the morning. Heading to Import Face-Off this morning, meeting up with a couple of guys, and then rolling down to the big meetup spot before we get to Texas Motorplex. Man, it is really early. Should have good weather today. I'm gonna be doing the test and tune thing where I can just do a couple runs. I'm imagining there's gonna be a lot of cars there, so I don't know how many runs we'll get in, but cars on pump gas. I was not able to get it tuned on E85 in time, but either way, it should do solid. The car feels better than it's felt in the last couple of months. I've had a couple of issues here and there, nothing major, but it did hinder me from competing against other folks in the community in terms of, you know, putting out faster times and showing progress. So I have not been able to do that in months now, but getting back to it. So it's really early. You can see the sun starting to come up. We're about to get some breakfast, and I'm thinking Mickey D's, McDonald's, let's go. And then we're gonna meet up here at the Costco, where's our meetup spot. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys when it's sunlight outside and we have everybody together. Here we go, guys. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I got my helmet on. We're getting ready to make a hit. Then we got two cars ahead of us, so got the draggy on ready, get a video. We'll see what happens. There's the first run. Draggy says 1181. It felt weird at the end there. I lost traction towards the top end, which was really freaking weird. That got sketchy. 60 foot. I can't even tell from there. Holy crap. It felt good leaving out the hole. See what the 60 foot was. 60 foot according to Draggy was a 1.75. I pulled a G1/2 of holy crap. That's actually really funny. Damn. Didn't trap as high as I would have liked. Yeah, we got some work to do. Alright guys, we're about to make our second pass. We're going to a different lane this time. The right lane has some grooves at the top end. Everybody's been saying the same thing, that they're letting off because the car does something weird where it steers you right just slightly enough to throw you off. That happened to me last run. I let off. I trapped a little bit low. Still went 11.7, but we'll see what happens this run. I'm going to try doing a little bit different with the shifting because my throttle is hanging in first gear. It's killing my time, so we'll see what happens.
2 hours later.
Yo! Holy shit! Oh no, the R34! No! The fucking R34! Holy shit! Oh my god! Well guys, the R34 just crashed against the wall. Hopefully I got that on camera. Holy shit. Damn. Damn. Alright guys, and we're back. So yeah, that guy in the GTR 34 crashed total. I'm not sure exactly what happened yet, but it looks like it was not good. That car is done for. The track's been down for about an hour to get it prepped up. As you can see there, the guy in the tractor. But hopefully we can make a pass. The last pass that I tried, I spun actually all 4 wheels and didn't end up going anywhere. So let's give this one more try and see where we go. That felt good, guys. That felt real good. Still throttle hanging in first to second shift. That's been a problem with race run phase 4 for a while now, but there's nothing we can do about that. If I had to say, that's probably another 11.7, 11.6. Definitely gonna have to do something about that throttle hang. I don't know what exactly is going on, but we'll get to the bottom of it. Overall, the car felt good though. Let's see what we ran. Thank you. Oh wow. 60-foot kill that, but 11.8 dead at 120 miles an hour. So we got a mile per hour back. I knew I let off before. So yeah, I mean 172 60 foot. That throttle hang is killing me right now. What it's doing, the car is hanging up the gear going from 1 to 2nd gear. It'll sit there for a good half a second. So honestly, that could have been 11.4 pass, 11.5 pass. There's nothing I can do about that. I'll just get it, you know, I'll get with AMS and see what they recommend or what am I doing wrong and go from there. Other than that, I'm pleased with the car. I know what it can do. It's just that throttle hang, but good run nonetheless. I got my mile an hour back. That just goes to show you guys how much I let off the last run that I ran at 11.7. That was actually a really good pass instead. Well guys, it's the end of the day. I'm almost home now, my complex. But the issue that I was describing in my last run was pretty much a throttle hang, which is happening to quite a few of us on race run phase 4, where it actually holds the throttle engaged in first gear going into second. It doesn't shift. It takes a little bit longer than normal. Normally that's not an issue, but I'm not sure where it started happening. We'll figure it out. It's hanging for almost about a half of a second. So based on the data logs I saw, it was like 0.4 of a second, and it hung longer than normal than it used to, from comparing it to one of my old data logs to shift. So that's something that we can look at in the tune and address it. But for now, I'm pretty happy with the car. Honestly, it feels good. Unfortunately, I only got 2 real full passes down the track. And, you know, that just comes with the territory. Sometimes you have a good day, sometimes you have a bad day. Lately, I've been having a lot more bad days than good days at the track, but that's okay. We're getting ready to go on ethanol, so we're really just ironing out the boost controller on 93 octane right now with AMS, and then we're going to go full send on E85. Once we go on E85, the car will be 100% complete, and I'm going to put it on the dyno to see what it makes. Once I figure out what it makes in the dyno, then, you know, we'll possibly send some dyno logs to them as well to see if there's anything else that's left on the table that can be had. But other than that, guys, today was a great day. Shout out to so many of you who actually came up to me. We spoke, you introduced yourselves very kindly. I appreciate that, by the way. That's always appreciated. You guys introduced yourselves. We talked. We, you know, chopped it up. We talked cars. We talked personal stuff. It was great. Shout out to all of you guys who showed up, and when you see this video, just remember of the conversations we had. And I'm glad to see you guys. So one of you guys actually posted a video of me actually running. I've never seen my car from the outside do a pass since I've been on these wheels. So thank you so much for getting that as well for me. And, you know, just like today's video, we're gonna have many more like this. 11.7, 11.8 today at the track with minor issues that we can solve. And such a shame for that guy in the GTR 34 V-Spec of all things. Totaled it, completely destroyed it. He lost control about the same spot that I was talking about where I found a groove in the track. So I don't know if he was spinning or what the heck it was, but I feel bad. My condolences to his car. That thing was trashed afterwards. He put oil, coolant, everything on the track, brake fluid, apparently everything. So guys, be careful when you go to the track with your Banks car. Yeah, that's big chapter 7 right there. That's big chapter 7 right there. Don't do that. But just be careful. Just be careful out there. And as always, I don't want to keep on blabbing on. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. And I think next video is going to be something about along the lines of featuring one of my subscribers' cars. So stay tuned. If not, we'll back to our scheduled programming, doing more mods. So stay tuned.